Are you tired of struggling with your bad credit? Come on, how long are you going to suffer with bad credit when you can do something about it? Probably the number one reason why most people don't do anything about their credit is because either they try to do it themselves and it didn't work, or they hired a company and that company let them down. Hi, my name is Stephen Williams. I'm the president of the Credit Repair Shop. I'm going to first start off with this video showing you why you should select our company to help you with your credit. First, you can see right here we're licensed by the state of Wisconsin. We're A-rated with the Better Business Bureau, and our payment processing company is verifiable right here, so you can see that we're a legitimate company and that if anything was to go wrong where you didn't get what you paid for, you could contact us and we'll do something about it, obviously. But also you have backup plans where you can contact the state because we're licensed by the state. You can contact the Better Business Bureau, and also with our payment processing company. So we would rather do business the right way, and that's why we're upfront about everything that we do. Now first here I want to go through with the Better Business Bureau. You can see here our parent company, the Real Debt Solution, and you can see here the Credit Repair Shop is listed, and you can see that we're A-rated right there. And then I'll go back here and you can see our payment verifiable with the Credit Repair Shop with authorized.net. We're verified authorized.net merchant. We're licensed and bonded with the state of Wisconsin. Now let's get right down to it. Have you been turned down for an auto loan, a mortgage, a condo, apartment, credit card, insurance, life insurance, a job or job promotion, or a personal or business loan? These are all the reasons, and there's many more, why you need to get your credit repaired, because you never know when you're going to have to use your credit. Now, I always go through this with my clients on why it's very important, other than what we just went through. People that have bad credit will pay more money for the very same things that people with good credit pay less for. I have my examples here. If you have an auto loan for $22,000, and if you have bad credit, you're going to pay a minimum, and that's if you get someone that's going to be favorable to you with a 14% interest rate. You're going to pay $517 and some change per month. But if you have good credit, and the rates have even went down since I made my website. I've got clients that have getting loans for vehicles at 2.9% now, but just at 6.5%, you're at $430 and some change. That's a savings of $87.16 per month. That's an insurance premium for some people. Let's look at it with a mortgage for $220,000 at 8.7%. You're going to pay $1,722.89 per month. But now with where the interest rates, and they're even lower than this now, but at a 3.5% interest rate, you're talking about $1,037.67, a savings of $685.22. Now let's go to a credit card that you're paying, that you have a balance of $7,000. You could be paying up to $1,500 per month with a 24% interest rate. With good credit, you could be paying $500 per month with an 8.9 or better percent interest rate, saving you $3,000 per year. Now, just on your credit card, that's a total savings of over $12,268.56 per year. Money in your pocket for stuff that you're probably already spending on right now. Now, let me tell you what we can do. Using our 8-point validation system, we can remove bankruptcies, judgments, collections, liens, tax liens, debt collector accounts, foreclosures, repossessions, garnishments, charge-offs, late pays, medical bills. All type of stuff can be removed from your credit report using our 8-point validation system. Basically, this is what we do. We're going to challenge any and everything on your credit report that's negative, and we're going to make them validate that they can even come after you for if you have a medical bill or an outstanding charge off or an outstanding balance that a debt collector has purchased, or even an original creditor still has. We're going to validate that debt by the law. Every company, regardless of who gives you credit, or if a debt collector buys the debt from another company, an original creditor, there are specific legal things that they must have to go after you for the debt. So even if you owe it, if they don't have these things, they must take it off of your credit report, and they must also delete the debt 100% to where you don't even owe it. And we're going to do those things. Now, to be upfront with you, that doesn't happen in every case. But what if you owe 5 creditors and we can erase 2 of them? And then we do negotiations at a settlement offers with the other 3, saving you money. That's why our 8-point validation system is the best that's out there in the market. We're the only company that's doing this. Now, and again, we're going to do any and everything possible to get you the best resolution. If you think nothing else can be done to repair your credit and you've tried it on your own, if you tried other companies, you need to try us, because we'll brainstorm and come up with new and more creative ideas to get you the best result that you desire. Now, I've put together this video that's going to show you proof. It's a very long video, but if you want to see proof of what I've done for my clients, you know, we've done gotten bankruptcies taken off of their credit report. We've gotten foreclosures taken off, medical bills, late pays reversed, all types of stuff. I've put together this video to show you proof. These are actual client results that we've gotten for our clients. Also, you can look at the videos that are here to the right of these testimonials, and then also you can read the testimonials from our clients. Now, everyone asks, what do I have to do? What is your process? How does this whole thing work? Well, we use a simple 3-step process. First, what you have to do is we have to get your credit report. We review it. Once we review your credit report, then from there, we're using our 8-point validation system. We're going to validate everything that's on your credit report. All you have to do is sit back and relax, and you're going to get the results from what we do back from the credit reporting agencies. Once you get that information, you send it to us, and then we take it from there. Now, our fee to do this is $9.95 to get started. This is where we have to do some of the legal things that are required by the states to work on your credit. After that, 20 days later, you're going to be charged $125. 30 days after that, $125. And then a final payment 30 days after the second payment of $125. And that's it. We will work on your credit for 1 full year with just that there. You should expect results within 15 to 45 days. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, how will I know that you're working on my credit? Or you might have a question, what if I want to talk to you? I need to get in touch with you. I don't know you. Well, our company has this set up for you. Either by phone, or you can meet face to face, or you could just see our face and type back your questions, and we'll answer you live right here in this window. Also, you can go to see how your account is moving forward anytime, 24/7. All you have to do is type in, and everyone that gets an account with our company gets this automatic account. And I've set up a sample client so you can see how this works. You simply log in, and you can see here the credit repair shop, and I've put together some information here. This is a sample, so there's nothing that's true in this file, but I'm using it for samples so you can see exactly what you would see. Up here in the menu, you can see some things that we have, some notes, some helpful resources and products that you can take advantage of. But the most important button here is the status button, where you can see each account that we're disputing. You can see the time that you have to wait, that we expect some type of result back from the company back from the credit reporting agencies. And you can see Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and I just set these up, but you can see that there's a little clock here, and each day it'll go down. And if you haven't received a response by then, and we will also know this on your account, then we will have to resubmit your files. Also, if you have any public record stuff that we're trying to get off, you can see that it has a timeline here, and you can see exactly which ones. You would know by the exact number which ones we're working on. If you have some debt settlements that we're working on, you will see right here, and you would see the time that we put it in, and we usually allow them 30 days to respond. And or if there's any original creditor disputes, let's say that you had identity theft, or there's a creditor that you don't identify, that you don't remember doing business with, we can dispute with that creditor also. So using that will alleviate any fears that you should have on if your account is being worked on. It will alleviate any fears that you may have on how long you should be waiting for some type of response, because it has it right there for you. 45 days. You can see, and I just set up this one today, but it would go down. This clock would keep ticking, and then when it got to 0, if you hadn't gotten a response, then we would have to resubmit your information to the credit reporting agencies. From experience, we usually see people getting results between 15 days with TransUnion to 45 days with Equifax and Experian. Now, when you sign up with our company, you're going to get an email, a welcoming email here, and it'll have My Credit Portal, and it will have this information with the link to go to that page. It'll have your username, which for the sample client I use this, and it'll have a password. And you can, once you get in there, you can obviously change it to an easier password for you to remember. It has our contact information. Again, you can call us. Our information is available all the time. Here we go. Here, I'll go here. We have a 24-hour service, live operator, to answer any questions that you may have. And you can also contact us, by email, or you can contact us by email, or you can contact us by phone, either which one of those, and we always respond. If for some reason you forgot your password, then easily here you can go to the portal, and you just put your email here, and then you'll get a password. Now, the most important thing that you have to remember is that you need to do something about your credit. A lot of times people think that it's a waste of time, I just shouldn't worry about doing it. And I want to let you know that don't do that to yourself, because at any time you may want to get a new car. But I'll give you a good example for myself personally. My daughter, she started college this year, and even though we paid cash for her housing, they still wanted to check my credit. So it doesn't matter. Sometimes they use your credit to do a judgment of how you live your life. So regardless if you're going to use credit or not, it would be good for you to get your credit issues resolved so you can move forward in life. Now, I didn't go over the free bonuses that we have for you, LexisNexis is, we're going to dispute anything that shows up in that report. If you're going for a mortgage, something that's a high ticket item, sometimes they check this bureau to see what might not be showing up on your credit report. And the insurance companies, they're using this, and so we're going to throw that in for free. That's a $199 value. We will stop any and all debt collectors calls without you having to file bankruptcy. Regardless if you owe the debt or not, we will stop them from calling your house, your job, any neighbors. We will also write any court summons responses that you may have. So say that you're being called into court for a credit card or something that you owe. We will write your summons so you will be able to fight on your own behalf. We will also write a response for any 30-day debt collector validation letters. Most debt collectors, what they try to do is they try to hide that they're validating the debt through that letter. You have 30 days to respond to that letter, but you must respond to it the right way within the 30 days, or they're going to automatically say that you owe the debt. Even if you didn't owe the debt, if they send out that letter, you don't respond in 30 days, you legally owe the debt. So we can do this for you. All you would have to do is get that letter over to us, and we'll take care of it so you can go on with your life. And the value of that is $599. And to write your court summons, the value of that is $799. And to do your stop all debt collectors calls, value of that is $249. And then also, once your credit is cleared up, we have a special deal with the company where we will submit your information for a $2,500 unsecured credit card if you like. Some people don't want to get back with credit cards. That's understandable, but that's out there just in case you want it. Now, these free bonuses are valued at $1,849.96. And all you have to do if you want to order, just simply click here, and you can see that it's only going to be $9.95 at the beginning, and then after that you're going to have 3 payments of $125, and they will be taken out, the first one, like I said, in 20 days, but that will also be after all of your information has been submitted. So when your first payment comes out, that's when all of the paperwork, everything has been submitted by that time to all of the credit reporting agencies, and you should be all you have to do is sit back and relax and wait for the results to come in. So I hope I answered all your questions. Here's some more frequently asked questions that some people ask. You can read through those, and hopefully we will have you as a client, and we will get started right away on helping you clear up your credit.